Hello my friends. It's a windy, cool day. It's October 12th. It's Canadian Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. And I'm just winterizing my Saskatraz honeybees. What I have here is a wrap made by, Bee Dry. I got it from Dancing Bee Supplies, I think it's called. Something like that out of Winnipeg, Canada. But I had to cut a piece of it off for the entrance. But it slips, it's just like a sleeve. Slips right over the whole hive in one piece. And basically, I don't know why you can see this, but it's like bubble wrap. Some sort of like fancy bubble wrap. I don't know how well it works. I also have foam insulation panels. I'm going to attach the outside of this once it stops raining. We have been getting rain. So what I've done here, since most of the heat comes out the top, and also to control moisture over the winter, I've taken these are strainer bags for 5-gallon buckets, 5-gallon pails for painting or ink, or I use them for compost tea, straining out all the stuff I don't want to put through my watering can for the gardens. But I filled it, this is spruce shavings. It's like bedding material for animals. It's been heat treated so there's no pests in it. And what I've done here is just taken the honey super and put it back on top. I've left the queen excluder in there. It's this plastic piece here. Keep basically just hold up the shavings. But yeah, I just filled up bags of these. Or you can feel the warm air coming out of the hive. Filled up some bags of these, 4 bags. I laid them in on top of the queen excluder in my honey super. Then I'll replace the inner cover because it has a top entrance, so I'll get a little bit of ventilation. I mean, not much, but it's winter. It gets pretty cold here, so I don't think I need too much. But yeah, I'll slap that on. Put the lid back on. Like I said, I got foam insulation. I'm going to cut a strip for the top and then panels for the rest of it, and maybe even a panel underneath. I still have to block off some of the wind. I got some plywood I'll put up around here, and yeah, that's about it. I gotta take care of moisture problem. I got the hive sitting at a nice angle. I have to keep it up off the ground. No, I have skunks, and whatever cold will do to the bees, the skunks will do worse. So yeah, there it is, winterizing my hive. I don't know if this bee wrap thing is a good idea or not, but it looked alright. Looked less hokey than that black winter wrap stuff they sell. And it was pretty cheap. I think this was under $20 for the wrap. There's another piece that goes inside, but because of all the moisture I have around here, and it's gonna be a long winter, I wanted something to wick up moisture. So that's the spruce shavings, and that should provide nice insulation too. It's good 5-6 inches thick up in there. Sits about that thick in there. So yeah, there's actually still bees flying around. There's one here coming to the camera. I don't know if they'll land. Yeah, it's only about 9 degrees, October 12th, 2020. 9 degrees Celsius, that is. We had freezing temperature last night, went below 0. And again tonight. So I'm just making sure the bees are kept nice and warm, but it's still raining. When it stops raining, I'll apply some foam insulation to completely surround it from the wind and try to keep in some more of the heat. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are and whenever you watch this. Peace.